Have you ever wondered about the enigmatic depths of our oceans and how technology can help us uncover their secrets? The world beneath the waves is vast, complex, and largely unexplored. It's a realm where sunlight fades, temperatures plunge, and pressure mounts with every fathom, making it a formidable challenge for human exploration. Yet it's crucial to understand this mysterious marine ecosystem. It plays a significant role in regulating our planet's climate, supports a wealth of biodiversity, and holds potential solutions to some of humanity's most pressing problems. But how can we uncover these secrets when the ocean's depths remain so inaccessible to us? Enter the world of intelligent ocean exploration drones. This isn't science fiction, it's a reality made possible by advancements in technology. Imagine autonomous underwater vehicles exploring the ocean depths, powered by artificial intelligence and equipped with cutting-edge sensor suites. This is where intelligent ocean exploration drones come into play, promising to revolutionize our understanding of the underwater world. From primitive submarine prototypes to advanced autonomous underwater vehicles, the journey of ocean exploration drones has been nothing short of remarkable. The earliest concepts of these machines were simple, remotely operated vehicles that could only perform basic tasks. But as technology evolved, so did the potential for ocean exploration. The development of autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUVs, marked a significant leap forward. These self-operating machines, equipped with advanced navigation systems, sensors, and imaging tools, began to unlock the mysteries of the deep sea. Moving beyond the limitations of human-controlled devices, AUVs could venture into environments too harsh or remote for human divers. The integration of artificial intelligence and swarm robotics further propelled this evolution. AI enabled these drones to learn, adapt, and make decisions based on the data they collected. Swarm robotics, meanwhile, allowed for the coordination of multiple drones, dramatically increasing the range and depth of exploration. The advancements in technology have paved the way for these drones to become increasingly sophisticated and autonomous. The world of intelligent ocean exploration drones is ever evolving, with the latest developments pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The advent of underwater communication technologies is revolutionizing the way we interact with these autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUVs. Enhanced energy efficiency is another stride forward, enabling longer missions and greater depths of exploration. Customized sensor suites are also being integrated into these drones, allowing for more precise data collection and analysis. Collaborations with research institutions are fueling these advancements, fostering an environment of innovation and discovery. But with progress comes challenges. The extreme pressure and limited visibility of the ocean's depths present significant hurdles. Communication issues also persist as traditional radio waves can't penetrate water effectively. Yet these challenges do not dampen the spirit of technological advancement. They serve as catalysts, inspiring researchers and engineers to devise solutions that overcome these constraints. Despite these challenges, the future of intelligent ocean exploration drones looks promising. As we stand on the brink of a new era in ocean exploration, what does the future hold for these intelligent drones? Fueled by advancements in artificial intelligence, these autonomous underwater vehicles are becoming smarter and more efficient. Algorithms are being developed to help these machines learn from their surroundings, enhancing their ability to navigate the complex underwater terrain. The push for green technology is also making waves in this field. Researchers are exploring ways to increase energy efficiency, with the hope of creating drones that can stay submerged for longer periods. And let's not forget about the potential for deep-sea mining. With the ability to reach depths that are inaccessible to humans, these drones could open up a new frontier in resource extraction. With technology as our ally, we are set to uncover the secrets of the ocean depths like never before. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the final frontier on Earth, the mysterious and captivating world beneath the waves.